AutoCAD is a powerful design software that has revolutionized how engineers, architects, and designers bring their ideas to life. From beginners learning basic 2D drafting tools like lines, circles, and rectangles, to professionals handling complex 3D modeling and visualization, AutoCAD is essential at every stage. Civil engineers use it to draft precise site plans and blueprints, ensuring accuracy and compliance in infrastructure design. AutoCAD's features like layers, blocks, and annotation tools enhance organization and speed up workflows. Layers help separate elements for better control and visibility, while blocks simplify repeated components, saving time and reducing file size. For faster, smarter drafting, mastering essential commands like trim, mirror, offset, and extend is key. Additionally, understanding the difference between AutoCAD and Revit helps users choose the right tool: AutoCAD for precision 2D work, and Revit for intelligent 3D modeling with beam capabilities. With regular practice, keyboard shortcuts, and the right resources, anyone can become proficient in AutoCAD. Whether you are designing a bridge, a building plan, or a product prototype, AutoCAD empowers you to draft with precision, clarity, and efficiency. Dive into the world of smart design with AutoCAD today.